I don't usually get this nervous.
Yeah, I can see.
It's not that I do.
Now it's personal. You never told me. How do you go?
What?
I'm not as smart as you.
It's good that you can admit Pierre used to volunteer at the school after his death. Being at the school, still... I understand. She wanted to feel closer to her.
Would you have created a copy of Pierre?
If you asked me now, then... But if you had asked me, I would have done anything. Every day, the dip, in the... You want to know why? I tried to drown myself.
What?
When I lost Pierre, I tried to swim away from Lumiere. Until I could no longer... But... I was alive. What I didn't know then, what the hospital that I had lost...
CL.
But... She would have been sick.
I'm so sorry. Not of drowning specifically. It would solve a lot of problems. It's a choice.
It is.
But there's a creature that Verso painted. Yes.
It's strange.
Maëlle.
She has the power to remake our world.
Yeah. Maëlle.
I'm getting quite tired of people telling me to go home.
Fine.
They're counting on me.
So, you're really can't rely. Well.
It is a beauty. The colors in the sky. Tonight,
Is it?
we shall bring Noko.
I thought
Who knows how much time tomorrow? It's a simple journey to the... We're not far.
Golgra won't be happy that you're jumping the queue.
I'll deal with Golgrit. You helped me bring Noko back once before.
Always.
Noir is
I guess he's...
cousin.
That's not a...
Why'd you hide sorry?
Oh, I was afraid the...
That's mean. Sometimes...
Yeah. He'd hate that you said that.
And Francois...
What do you mean by that?
Minis who hide things but who aren't really...
Whoa, slow...
Where I lost Uri.
Uri. So...
I left Uri in Francois' cave.
Okay.
Uri helps me.
Oh.
Oh, I'd rather not fight. Maybe if you serenade him. It made him so happy.
Thank...
Or
Francois can dance. Anyway, look, maybe we can trade him...
hey. Because it'll
Better.
make it so it looks like Francois. Worst case scenario.
Gee.
Ooh, how about that rock over there? Cool. Ta-da! All right.
What?
Yes. It won't take long now that I...
You... Don't call me that.
You have...
Prove it.
We'll trade you.
Is that supposed to be me?
I think we captured...
No deal! You want Uri? Come and get it!
Let's carve a path. Radiance.
Fine. Here! Ha! Take your...
Oh, Yuri! I've missed you.
You can leave the other one, though.
Oh, Francois.
He really does miss her.
Now, Verso,
Gosh,
mon ami, you're the smartest.
fluffiest.
You,
Thanks.
you're well.
Esquier,
Are you troubled?
when we first met, I remember...
Oh,
What?
in the caves.
Sorry,
Oh, yeah.
what do you mean by...
First means number one.
Yes. So,
Yes, you were.
it was you. You saved me. Wait, but
I heard you.
from... So...
I heard you.
I... Thank you.
Tears again. Verso likes
Yes, I...
You were looking for someone. Yeah. I get sad. Here we go. Flash through the sky. Woo-hoo!
We're below the monolith, where he was sealed.
Careful. an advantage.
Ready to power. I won't disappoint. Let's dance.
Isso aqui não.